up. So what we're gonna do, this guy go up under that bracket right there. What up, dope people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and if you can see, I'm back on the donation Honda Civic, trying to get some things wrapped up. Got some parts in for. Even got the glass in. Had the glass people hook us up with some glass. Since the last video on this one, she's just been sitting. Still got to do the body work. Still got to do the paint. If you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever, Facebook, there's all links in the description here below. Y'all know I got the parts and the paint. But still a little bit too cold outside to be painting. So, still need to get the rest of the front end off and get the hood release or hood catch fixed. Do have another one for this car. That was the whole main problem for this car anyway. Well, one of the main problems. So let's go see what we got going on around here. So, worked out all the electrical issues with the doors. Common issue. If you don't know, I will say that right now. Right here, the pigtail. The wires normally break off in here. I fixed it like 3 times. Got windows working. Power door locks working. But I do not like doing wiring on these. Well, don't do that. It's 32 wires altogether, y'all. Just one that's no. Speakers wasn't working in the door. Only one window would go up and down. I don't know if I explained this all in the videos. This is that pigtail. They want like $1,000 for that pigtail off eBay. Ain't no way. I just replaced it so many times. Now everything works. Luckily, friend helped me. He like checked the fuse. Checked the fuses. It blew fuses because the wires was touching. After I put everything back together. So now power door locks work. When all the windows work. Etc. Etc. Y'all can see that. So everything works. Ain't gonna do no keyless entry on this car because you need the factory radio, I do believe, to program this. I'm gonna check into that some more. But the key fob for this car is like $20 off Amazon. And we did get the headlights in. Like I said, we got parts. So we got the brand new headlights off Amazon. We got the fenders in for this car. They up there somewhere in the rafters. Throw a lot of stuff up there. So the fenders are up there somewhere with a lot of other car parts. Because y'all know I don't own a shop. And my garage is getting kind of congested now with motors and transmissions and plasma cutters, welders, pressure washers, toolboxes everywhere, air compressors, parts to cars everywhere. So hopefully in this spring I'll be able to invest in a shed to put on the side of my garage for all the stuff I don't need in here, like the power washers, all the stuff I use to do my lawn care on this at my residence. I don't need all that stuff over there. That'll give me a little bit more space and a lot of extra parts in here, the cars. I'll be able to store it in the shed. But I'll be working on that off camera when I get some more money because the IRS is in my butt. Like I said, I use my own money to fix these cars, but the IRS don't like that. But they don't like, well, I don't know. But it is what it is. Gotta keep them off my back, pay them what they want. But like I said, gotta get these headlights off this front bumper and get the latch installed. Do got another latch. That one does catch. This one doesn't catch, obviously, because the hood flew up and hit the windshield. That's why she needed a brand new windshield. She has a brand new windshield. She has a lot of brand new stuff. That's why I go to work every day. Because this is a hobby. I love bringing cars back from the dead. This is what I do. But to take these headlights off, it's 10 millimeters. But unfortunately for these cars, to take the headlights off. You got to take a lot of other stuff off too. Headlights do bolt into the fenders. Right there. That goes into the fender. So you would have to remove the front bumper just to get to that screw. Get the fender off. I don't know why they made it like that. They got one bolt there that bolts into the fender. And two up there, and should be able to pop it off. Now I'm trying to think how I'm going to paint this car. Got to paint the front bumper and the fender separate because they all bolt up together. And I don't want to put the headlights in when I paint because I'm not trying to tape off the headlights. Like you see other people, I'm not a professional painter. So I'm not taping off no headlights and get overspray on my brand new headlights. I just rather have them off the car, put them back on when the car is painted. Y'all know how I do it. Watch my other videos. Go check them out. But let me jump into attempting to get this front bumper off because it is a 1998 Honda Civic. A lot of these bolts are rusty. On the bottom, there's two bolts down there. And one of them already off. The other one already tried to attempt to get off. You see stuff right there. It's not coming. So I'm about to just pull the front bumper off. It's trash anyway. And just pull it down and see if I can get that bolt out and get another one from the junkyard. If I don't have one in my bunch of bolts. I know y'all tired of me talking. So let me do what it do, baby.
I've seen a lot of change. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
Well, as you can see, I was trying to stump the bumper off, end up shutting off the camera and heating up the bolt that was highly rusted, so the melted plastic around, and I pulled it on off. So that was no biggie. But the biggie is I recorded all this before and I had no audio. Don't know what's going on with the GoPro. Because it seemed like it was GoPro, that the GoPro been off for a while because I had to go work on somebody else's car. But now I'm back, and now my audio back working again on the GoPro with my Rode mic. So I switched over to a different mic, not my lapel wireless mic. And I already went through all this already. I had to change the hood latch for the car because obviously if you new to this channel and haven't watched all the other videos, that the hood came up and smashed into the front windshield. That's why we got a new windshield, so and so and so and so. It is what it is. But I replaced the latch, unfortunately for y'all, because I did it on camera. I explained everything and had no audio the rest of my video. But it's only 3 bolts, 10mm bolts. Everything works. I even did the headlights, fit the headlight in. I did a lot of talking, like 5 more minutes, but I lost my audio. So I'm sorry about that. So it all got done. I can show you once more, all over again, what I had already done and what you should do when you replace one of these latches. So they make sure my audio back still working, and I get right back to y'all. So, like I said before, already changed this, but before you want to close your hood, you do want to make sure that it works. Sorry, I'm not using the lapel mic. It works. So let's press it down like I did once before. It's lasting in place. Let me go pop that latch. There we go. Usually I have my lapel mic on when I do this. So now I'm going to close the hood. Always want to test it first. You know you don't want to close your hood. And you can't open it back up because the hood release cable is broke. And that wasn't the issue in the first place. But you never know. But on this instance, it was the latch itself. The old latch that wasn't working, that failed, which made the hood fly up and hit the windshield. So, let me pop that back open again. And there we go. Still got PDR this hood. You know the car can get painted anyway. Got a big old dent, got scratches. What can I say? I'm just a guy like working on cars. So, got all that done. Let's go to show you how these new headlights gonna work, and that's gonna be a wrap because, like I said, I already did this before, and lost audio. So let me check again, make sure I still got audio. So I gotta do this again, and I'll be right back. So let's get to see how this headlight gonna look. Once again, and like I still got the old ones, because these didn't come with new headlights. With new bulbs, headlight bulbs. So I'm going to use the other ones out the old one. But everything looked to be matched up. So what we're going to do, this guy go up under that bracket right there. And slide it on into place. Take these back out again. And voila. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's gonna look nice when I'm done. I don't mean to be yelling, but that's gonna be, I'm excited. It's gonna be looking good. This car got brand new headlights. Still got to order the tail lights. So now I just got to put the bulbs from the old one into this one. Already got a bulb right there. That goes right here. I just got to do the other one that goes in here and pack them back in the box because they're not ready for that yet. Still got body work to do and paint. So hopefully I have no more audio issues. Now I'm using my, like I said, I explained this all over again multiple times and didn't have no audio. But now, like, people that follow me and watch these videos know that I've been trying different audio, different mics and stuff. From lapel mic, wireless and lapel mic, Rode mics, and cheap other mics off Amazon that was recommended. And I thought this Rode mic was messed up, but I guess it was just something going on, because now you don't get that all that noise going on out this one. I don't know what's going on. This is a new GoPro. Everything I bought with this GoPro, I bought everything new except for this Rode mic. It was from the other. I just got mics everywhere. But enough talking. Hopefully my audio get better. I'm tired of buying mics, external mics for these GoPros. Don't know what's going on. I'm buying an adapter from GoPro, which y'all know costs like $50, and I got 2 of them, thinking that was the issue. Then I buy new mics, but now something going on. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully next time this happens, I'm gonna start checking from now on for my audio quality instead of just recording videos. Then when I go to edit them, and my audio's all messed up, but it's already too late because now I'm already done and I just gotta let it go with it. I don't got that many people watching my videos anyway, so it really don't make no difference anyway to me if the audio going in and out. But I do want audio. I hate when I record a video and the audio be gone, but Here's what it is. She's coming together. This is 1998. If you're new to this channel, with 72,000 original miles on her, and she was neglected. So with all that said, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing over here. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers on your social media if you would. Be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we release a new video. We also have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. And we take donations of cars, just like the one I'm working on right now. You can go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And TikTok, y'all got to do better. There's all links in the description area below. So just go down there, take to my email, take to everything I just said. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!